Hi folks, a little tutorial here on how to add text to your Premiere Pro timeline. Usually when we're editing, this is the layout that we are in. Editing, how about that? So when we want to add graphics to our video productions, we come on over here to, hey, graphics. How about that? It actually makes sense. When you click on that, this box pops up over here on the right-hand side of your screen, and it gives you a bunch of templates. So you have all kinds of options here. Some of them make things fly in, some of them make things fly out. Some of them are basic lower third, basic title. For the moment, let's pick basic title. Click on it, grab it, drop it on your timeline where you want it. It's really that simple. So there you go. Now we have your title here. Well, obviously that's not the text that I want. So we will come over here, we will change the text. We'll call this Studio Picture. This isn't where I want this, so I'm going to grab my pointer tool and move it down here. I'm going to select that text. I'm going to come down here. Let's pick a different font size. Let's see. Let's go to, don't use Comic Sans. Let's see here. We'll use Arial Black. There we go. Sure. I can make it regular. Some of them you can make bold. Some of them you can make italic. Some of them you can't. Some of them you have, there we go. Some of them you can do that here. Some of them you can do it in the drop down. You can left, right, or center justify. You can change how wide or how narrow things are. You can change the color of it if you wanted red, blue, whatever. You can do that. You can add a drop shadow to it, which a lot of times on video would be very helpful. I'm going to debold that because I don't need it that way. So there you go. You can change the angle, you can change the opacity of things, or you can just leave it that way. So now in just a few clicks and a few typing strokes, you have, now you have text on your picture. And you can take this just like anything else and move it around wherever you want. Obviously, you want to drop it on a video channel that you don't already have video on because you don't want to blow out the video that you have there. And you can make it as long or as short as you want. Right? And you can also put your dissolves or whatever types of transitions on many of these that you so desire. So there you go, a quick tutorial on how to add font to your video project.